How to make salads more filling and tastier. Salads are healthy, loaded with vegetables and low on calories. We all secretly wish it could be as filling as a proper meal. Worried that it might just make you feel more hungry? Try adding beans, one of the most nutritious and fulfilling foods available. Beans pack in way more protein and up the nutrition value in a salad. Here are some easy ways you can make salads more appetizing and nourishing in no time. Apart from beans, you can make your salad more interesting by replacing some food items with the healthier alternative. Here they are. Replace croutons with peanuts. Croutons, adding the much-needed crunch in a plate full of greens, are yummy, but add unnecessary calories to the meal. To counter this, try replacing croutons with roasted peanuts, which are tasty and count for a healthy snack. Apart from peanuts, chickpeas and foxnuts can also be given a try. Adding chia seeds to the dressing. Chia seeds are again in trend for all the right reasons, as they come packed with the right amount of fiber, proteins, and cut down on the cholesterol. Good way of using chia seeds in any salad dish is to add them to the dressing, which add to the needed crunch. Adding the seeds to the dressing ensures that the flavor of the salad isn't compromised in any way. Adding nuts and seeds to the salad. Want to add some extra crunch to your healthy salad? Make sure to include almonds, sunflower seeds in all of your salads, which have an essential amount of fiber and protein locked in them. Just 1 tablespoon of almonds have 2 grams of proteins, enough for healthy heart function. A stand-alone beans salad. It is very essential to use beans in one's diets. One good way to ensure a nourishing serving of the same is to include beans in everyday salad. Stand-alone bean salads like kidney beans or black beans are very appetizing and fulfilling. Make use of hummus. Greek food hummus has become a staple. However, it can be used in ways better than a dip by replacing fatty, calorie-ridden vinegar and mayonnaise dressings with hummus made out of cooked chickpeas.